Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 6th of February 2015. Starting off with the 5-minute chart, you can see there's a lot of trades for yesterday, and not all in the colour we would particularly like. There are one or two black ones there, but quite a few of them are actually invalid, and I'll show you why in just a second. The first one is actually invalid because the stop was hit before the entry price was hit in this trade, but because it happens within the price bar following the signal, unless you're watching this in real time, you wouldn't know. You'd think it was a loser, but this was actually stopped out, or rather the stop was hit before the entry price actually occurred, and therefore making this trade an invalid trade. The second trade is a buy. We see the market going on, stopping at the psychological level of 17,850, and this is as far as the market went. This psychological line was a resistance and stopped this market, and eventually the market came back down, and it's a sell, which was reversed at more or less the same price as the stop. So this first trade for the afternoon was a losing trade. Let's remove both lines to make things a bit clearer. So we've got the short in place, the market goes down. The psychological level is the scalp target as well, 17,800. The market comes back up, puts in a second sell, which we're already sellers of the first, we're already short. This comes down to make a profit on this signal here down at the scalp. So we're making up some of the loss from the previous long there. So this signal is not a valid signal because you're already short before it. We then get another short, and once again the market goes down, and then we see the buying come back in with this professional buying bar here as prices close back above the entry price. So again, switching the trade, we end up with a 10-point loss on this particular trade here, not the full 17 points there that's shown in the stop. This one goes all the way up and near enough becomes a profit, comes within a couple of points of being a profit. Then the market reverses and the market comes back down to the psychological level once again of 17,850. So popping on the sell side there, we can see the market then trades sideways and then comes down. We have another sell there, which is invalid because we're already long in, already short in this one. But once again, the market failing to move lower, taking its cue from the support to the left there, and we see more buying coming into the market. So again, the market reversing, and this time going on to produce 33 points, giving us a net on the day of around -6 to 7 points. So as bad as the chart looks, overall for the day, it's not too bad at all if you actually follow through with the rules within the course there. So we're getting the signals now. We just need the market to trend further in the direction of the signal. The volatility certainly dropping off yesterday as far as sharp moves are concerned, which was reflected in the price action there. In the daily chart, you see the market moving up during yesterday's session. I'll just draw in a couple of lines here for you. You can see that we've got resistance across here, where the market's likely to encounter some sort of a struggle at 17,920 before moving back to the all-time high, which is once again back in sight here at 18,105 for the Dow there. On the news front today, it's a big one today. We've got non-farm payrolls out at 1:30. This is the only major high-impact news item that's out, and it's out at 1:30 an hour before the Dow actually opens. And then Lockhart's going to speak at 5:45, so if the unemployment figures are good, then we can expect this market to drive and power on during the afternoon session towards the record highs. And of course that's within sight, no problem at all from this level, should the unemployment figures be better than forecast. And also, of course, you've got the 17,920 to be taken out, but it's quite plausible and possible that the market would go on to to do this. In the implied volatility, we've got 13.54, drop yesterday from 1468, and quite a drop in the implied volatility there, over 1% for yesterday. So hopefully one direction to the upside following the economic news, heading towards that all-time high, giving us a few buy signals to finish off the week with a better finish than what it has been so far, as the market's still undecided in what it actually wants to do. Right, that's it for me for today. I will see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next one.